for 7368, request high speed.
Viking 2554, contact Carway, runway decimal 1.
118.1, so long, Viking 2554.
Goodbye.
Tower, Brigade, Sawadee Viking 2554 Heavy, we are established on the RMP Zulu 27.
Viking 2554, Phuket Tower, Sawadee Ka, report 5 mile final.
Gear down. Speed checked. Gear down. Up, line slope. Checked. Admin set 4000 for missed. Yes, you can set. Missed approach.
Shuttle way 27, Mega 256.
I got a feed inside. Flap full. Speed checked. Flap full. Checked.
Viking 2554, wind 310 degrees, 10 knots, runway 27, clear to land.
Runway 27, cleared land, Viking 2554.
Cleared land. Affirm.
Hotel Romeo, Roger, report
100 above. Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse is green. Diesel.
And we take Bravo. Bravo, that's going to be the next one.
Yeah, should be second to left. Ever.
And Harky is down.
Number 10.
Number 10. So finally, after a long flight, we arrived in Phuket. A rather smooth flight. We had a little bit turbulence on our way, but mostly smooth. We are thanking you for watching Sunclass Airlines, and thank you for coming along, and hope to see you next time.
Empezará la